For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Palantir Technologies recently reached a record-breaking all-time high, rising by nearly 5% on a Monday trading session. This sharp rise came as investors continued to grow increasingly enthusiastic about the company's growing role in artificial intelligence-powered work, particularly in both government-related and private sector contracts. Since the beginning of this year, Palantir's stock has climbed by approximately 97%, marking a substantial increase over a relatively short period. Despite this dramatic upward movement, there are still several strong indicators suggesting that this stock could continue gaining value in the months ahead. One of the major forces fueling Palantir's growth is its strong relationship with key United States government entities, especially those tied to defense and national security. The company continues to obtain significant contract agreements from the United States military, further entrenching its presence within critical government operations. Palantir has also taken part in various high-priority federal artificial intelligence initiatives. For instance, it is helping to support the United States Navy's technology upgrade efforts, which are part of a wider modernization push to ensure military readiness in a rapidly evolving digital world. Additionally, the company is contributing to an artificial intelligence program called Project Stargate, which centers around national security applications of emerging technology. When looking at recent performance data, Palantir's United States government revenue increased by 45% in quarter one of the year compared to the same period last year. That level of year-over-year growth demonstrates how deeply the company has become embedded in vital federal operations and suggests that it is likely to continue playing a critical role in future initiatives as artificial intelligence becomes even more essential in defense planning and strategic analysis. Another major tailwind for Palantir involves the political and economic landscape shaped by President Donald Trump's policy agenda. Palantir is already well positioned in two of the sectors where Trump has indicated plans for significant spending increases: the defense industry and the energy sector. Palantir's software is actively being used by the United States military, North Atlantic Treaty Organization allies, and several of the world's largest energy firms. As federal efforts ramp up to deliver substantial infrastructure and national security investment through a proposal referred to as the Big Beautiful Bill, analysts believe Palantir is likely to benefit from a fresh wave of contract awards and strategic partnerships. In support of this bullish outlook, Daniel Ives, a well-known and highly respected analyst from Wedbush, recently updated his evaluation of Palantir stock. He raised his price target to a new high of $160 per share, while continuing to recommend the stock as a buy. This new price target represents an additional potential upside of more than 7% from the current price, indicating continued belief in the company's ability to grow over the long term, especially as artificial intelligence technology becomes more widely adopted across multiple industries. Daniel Ives also made a bold prediction that Palantir could eventually become a company with a market valuation of $1 trillion. Even though he acknowledged that Palantir shares are currently priced at a premium compared to other technology stocks, he stressed that the company is in a unique position to capitalize on what he believes could amount to trillions of dollars in global artificial intelligence spending. He further argued that investors have yet to fully recognize the long-term revenue-generating power of Palantir's commercial artificial intelligence software, which is specifically developed for businesses operating in the United States. This software platform has drawn increasing attention because of its ease of use and flexibility. The software allows users with little to no technical training to build, test, and deploy artificial intelligence tools across various sectors quickly. This low-barrier approach makes the platform more accessible to companies of all sizes and reduces the need for expensive development teams. In turn, it accelerates adoption and helps these businesses achieve faster results. AIP also includes highly sophisticated tools for security and customization, which are two critical needs for companies that want to integrate artificial intelligence solutions into their day-to-day operations while maintaining control over sensitive data. Palantir's artificial intelligence platform has shown clear advantages in real-world applications, especially in industries where data analysis, real-time decision-making, and operational efficiency are priorities. Its tools are already being used in finance, healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, and public safety. These are all areas where artificial intelligence can drive meaningful results, and Palantir has designed its system to meet the complex requirements of clients in each of these industries. As more organizations move to adopt artificial intelligence solutions that do not require deep technical skills, Palantir is expected to attract a growing number of clients looking for scalable and secure tools. Turning our attention back to the broader market outlook, we find that the opinion on Wall Street remains divided. Analysts currently hold a consensus rating of hold for Palantir stock. This rating is based on 16 recent evaluations submitted within the past 3 months. Out of these 16 ratings, 3 were marked as buys, 9 as holds, and 4 as sells. Although this distribution suggests caution among some market participants, it also reflects the complexity of pricing a stock that has already experienced such a strong rally while still holding major potential for future growth. The average price target assigned to Palantir shares stands at $106.71. Based on where the stock is currently trading, this figure implies a potential downside risk of approximately 28.5%. This discrepancy between the optimistic forecast from Daniel Ives and the more conservative targets from other analysts highlights the uncertainty surrounding high-growth artificial intelligence stocks. Some investors may be concerned about valuation levels or broader market conditions, while others are more focused on the long-term upside connected to artificial intelligence innovation. Essentially, Palantir Technologies has seen its stock surge by nearly 97%, recently reaching a new all-time high as excitement builds around its artificial intelligence-driven contracts in both the government and commercial sectors. The company continues to expand its role with the United States military and intelligence agencies, including its involvement in major federal artificial intelligence initiatives like the United States Navy's modernization effort and Project Stargate. Revenue from government contracts grew by 45% in Q1 of 2025 compared to the prior year. Analyst Daniel Ives raised his price target on the stock to $160, reflecting strong confidence in the company's artificial intelligence platform, which he believes could bring in over $1 billion in annual revenue within a few years. Despite this optimism, Wall Street analysts hold a hold consensus rating, with an average price target of $106.71, suggesting a possible downside of over 28%. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.